These 5 jobs have insanely good benefits in 2021. Sure, 2020 was a hard year, and because of the harsh circumstances, it is natural for you to lag behind financially. Keep watching to find out about the 5 best jobs for 2021 that will help you boost your bank balance game. Number 1. Freelance content writing. Since most parts of the world are still affected by the virus, there's extreme uncertainty about in-office jobs and no one knows when you'll get back to work, and if you do, is it safe enough? The best remote job is therefore freelance content writing. It doesn't require any degree, experience, or investment. You simply need to research the algorithm and formats of different writing styles, and if you're good with your language, voila! The job can pay as much as you work, which means you're the boss of your income. If you don't have much time, you can simply take up small gigs and earn as much as $600 per month on a minimum average. Number 2. Financial advisor. The scope of this job is ever growing because of the economic fluctuation over the past few years. People need to know whether they are headed in the right direction when it comes to a career option, and when they are having troubles getting settled financially, they seek a financial advisor. Sure, the job requires a business management degree and some experience related to market and field options, but the pay is worth it. You can earn up to $88,000 annually, and once you make good place in the market and gain more clients, you can earn a hefty amount. Number 3. Mental therapists. With a degree in psychology, this job option is one of the most desired ones out there. Sadly enough, depression is an epidemic in the U.S., and people seek therapists often. Even if people aren't depressed, they just usually need a professional to talk about their issues and life in general. Therapists help people overcome their rough patches and make sure their mental health is healthy and fine. Since the virus has many things locked down, you can work as a therapist online and consult people over video chat, which means that an in-office job is not a requirement. The average annual pay of a psychologist lies between $80,000 and $90,000. Number 4. Teachers and professors. Education is always a top priority for people, and kids never stop being born, so you'll always have someone you can teach to. You can specialize in subjects and get degrees in them to teach as a professional professor, or you can do a Montessori course and teach the young ones. Teachers are always in demand, and since the education system these days feels like a fail, people are still eager to learn, and you can create courses online and charge every student a minimum fee. If you keep your course up for international students on your website, you can earn a little extra. Overall, the pay of a teacher depends on their expertise and the system that they are associated with. But you can always find tricky ways to earn in this field. Number 5. IT manager. This is a simple and yet technical job because it involves computers. IT managers are supposed to have a degree in engineering or computer science, and then they can work with big firms and companies where you manage their computers, including software changes and glitch fixing. Since most big companies rely on computers for their information and programming, and they need quality managers to make sure everything goes by smoothly. An average IT manager earns around $146,000 annually, which is a pretty good salary for an IT manager. If you can, apply for these jobs and have a secure career in 2021.